Kids are always very curious and inquisitive to know about the world around them. Especially kids who are in the age range of 2 to 5 are too naughty and wouldn't stay quiet for a second. But in this anxiety, they usually fall down and cause accident to themselves, which is the deepest concern for any parent. In order to give parents a sigh of relief for minor injuries and fire burns, in this video I'm going to tell about an amazing powder which is a must-have in every house owning a child and even for adults. This brown oval-shaped fruit is one of the miracle gifted by God. It's called Kadukai in Tamil and Haritaki in English. It is an Ayurvedic medicine and has extraordinary medical benefits. This fruit is popularly known to be the king of the medicines as it's extensively used for a wide range of traditional remedies. In this video, we are going to see two major benefits of this kadukai. We are going to grind this fruit into a powder. We are getting as a ready-made powder. We need not grind it in the house because it's very hard fruit and we cannot grind it using a mixer grinder. You can get it in our herbal Ayurvedic shop. You can ask for kadukai or harikati powder. They'll give it to you. We are going to use this powder on our kids for any bleeding or any small cuts or any fire burns. It's really effective. Usually in our house, we'll be having a first aid box which contains a band-aid, Dettol and an ointment. Whenever our kid falls down and starts to bleed, we immediately clean the wound and then apply any ointment or any bandage. The major disadvantage of this process is the process itself takes at least for 5 minutes or 10 minutes according to the treatment, and the healing process takes at least 2 to 3 days. But when you apply kadukai on the wound immediately, the irritation and the pain subsides in just 30 seconds and the healing starts in just 1 day. In 1 day, you can feel the hard skin coming over the wound. So it's really fast and effective on the kids, and in just a few minutes, your kids will be back to normal and they will start to play like normal how they were before the wound. Now let's see how to apply the medicine. For example, if I'm having blood oozing out from my hand, you just have to take the medicine and sprinkle it over like this. As it has bled, the powder will be just absorbed and it won't fall off. If there is no blood, if it is just a scrape or a cut, you have to first apply coconut oil and then sprinkle it on it so that the coconut oil binds the medicine together and it will be healed very easily. If there is any fire burns or your kid has touched any hot vessel, you immediately need to apply some coconut oil and just sprinkle it. The same process applies and the irritation comes down instantly. And please be careful that this powder, if touched by any cloth like this, the stain will not go away very easily, so you have to be careful with that. I hope that this video will be very useful for you in regard to your safety of your kids, which is the most concern for all the parents. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Until I meet you in my next video, it's tata bye bye and happy learning.